Hey beauties, it's your girl Trinity Shauntea. This is my self-care routine and I hope you enjoy the video. So I don't know about you guys, but I have to have my hair to look at least decent for me to feel good about myself because your girl has been looking a mess, okay? But I washed my hair last night and I just slept on it. I put it in 2 twists and all I'm doing is just putting it in a sleek bun. I'm taking a twist down, wetting my hair, and I'm going to use the Natural Curl Defining Cream by Eden Body Works to make my hair feel a little bit softer. So to sleep my hair down, I'm using the olive oil eco styling gel, and this is what works the best for my hair. It doesn't leave any residue on my hair, so I love this product. So there you have it. I have a sleek bun, and what I'm going to do is just take the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges, and I'm just going to just make sure the front of my hair is tamed. And yeah, that's the finished look with my hair. So it's later that night and yes, I'm excited to wind down. I'm first going to brush my teeth and then I'm going to wash my face with the Vitamin C cleanser by Soap and Glory. I love this stuff. It makes my skin feel so clean. I always pat dry my face with a paper towel and then afterwards I'm going to tone my face with witch hazel. I whiten my teeth 2 times a week with the Crest Whitestrips, and honestly, they make a difference. After I whiten my teeth, I use a turmeric clay mask by Galore, and I do this twice a week as well, and I love it. I need it for my dark spots. I use 2 serums on my skin. One is a vitamin C serum by Pearlessence and another is the Rose Galore serum that has a whole lot of beneficial oils in it. After my skincare, I get into a hot, nice shower, and that is my night, ladies. That is my self-care routine. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you won't be late to see any of my videos. Thank you for watching, ladies. See you in the next one. Bye.